Hey everyone, welcome to TechScale. So if you are an iOS user or an iPad user or an iPhone user, so there is a good news for you. We have recently received the new iOS update, that is iOS 15.5. And if you want to download that, you just have to go to the settings. If it haven't still popped on your this notification tray, so you go to general and you click on the software updates just like this, and you will receive the iOS 15.5 update from Apple Inc, as you can see. And the update size for iOS for iPad Air 9th generation is 477 MBs. For iPhone 12 I check it was around about 671 MBs, and similarly you can check it for other devices that you are having, right? So if we specifically see what exactly is in this update, so let's click on the learn more button and see what exactly is there. So first of all, it tells us that this contains few improvement and bug fixes, and most of them are in the section of, if you see the Apple podcast, now you can set a limit on how much episodes of a particular podcast you can store on your iPad, right? And automatically delete the old ones that you have listened, right? And again, the next two features, if you see, if I'll simply take a screenshot and if I mark this down, so for the new thing that have been included in the software update is for the iMessage. If you see, this is particularly for the iMessage, and for some reason I'm not able to write with my pen, so yeah, let's forget that for a while. Yeah, I'll keep it here. So if you see, they have added new communication safety settings for messages that will give the parents the ability to enable warning for the children. So anytime your children are being sent, or they are sending something that is containing nudity, they will receive a warning. The parents can set it now, and similarly some sort of resources will also be there in the warning that will be helpful for the children if whenever they receive a nude picture or a nude content, or something that is an 18 plus category. And this is specifically for children. I guess there must be a way of enabling the age and other stuff. So that's how this update is. And if you want to know more about it, you can again go to support.apple and have a look what exactly other things that can be in this particular update. So I'll quickly download and install it in my this iPad, and let's see where the warning is and if I'm able to set it. So probably if I'm not, because I don't have a family account set up, so I won't be able to, but I'll still check. So let's just get this update installed. So right now I am on Apple Podcast. If you see, I'm on Apple Podcast. So for example, I simply just download one episode of TED Talks daily, and just to see how the new feature will work and how the old one is like. So probably this thing will come in my library. Okay, this is not coming. This is downloaded. So as you can see, one episode is already downloaded, right? So right now we don't have any settings that you can delete this particular one after some time. So let's see after the update is installed how it looks like. So let me see the update is getting prepared. So after, let's get, if like after it is installed, we'll check the other option in podcast as well. So here we are. If you see, and if I go to downloads and software updates, we have successfully upgraded to iPad OS 15.5, and you can see it's up to date, no more updates. And according to the description of the updates, if we go to podcast and the downloaded, this will have this option. I'm not sure if this option was previously there, but I did not see it before. So now we have this hide played episodes. Please correct me in the comment section if it was already there. So according to me, this was the new thing that was added. So after you play an episode, it will automatically get hidden from the downloaded section, and probably it will also get deleted. So if not, let's go to the settings and check the podcast here, and let's see. Okay, so here is the option, remove played downloads. So after you are done playing any episode and now you're switched back to new episode, you can see it clearly says that downloads can be removed 24 hours after they are played. So since if you played an episode today and right now, and after 24 hours of that exact time, that episode will get deleted automatically from the Apple Podcast or Simply Podcast. So this was a new feature. Apart from that, there was this new feature for iMessages. I'm not sure if I can check it here, but still I'll go to iMessages. And where is message? Yeah, here we have messages, and yeah, here I don't think so we have any option of that sort. But yeah, if anyone knows how to enable this, please let me know in the comment section. I'll also update it in the video. That's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep enjoying, keep rocking. Bye bye.